Hello, Facebook family. It is day 4 of the TTO Team Video Challenge. And I wanted to use and take the word team today. It's been a great word in my life, as it probably has been a great word in many of you watching this video, because we learn so much when we are part of a team. I learned about the word teamwork at a very young age. I was a cheerleader through middle school and high school, loved cheerleading, loved being part of the team, loved the camaraderie of the gals that I cheered with. Shortly after high school, became a team with my husband, Terry. We were high school sweethearts, and luckily he also knew the importance of team as he played team sports his entire life. And at a very young age, we were blessed to get involved in the networking industry. And the leadership team that led the organization was fantastic. And I and Terry are so ever grateful for what we learned and what we were part of for 17 years of our life. It was amazing. When we stepped out of the industry for a while, we got very heavily involved in our community. And one of the things that we did was we ran the local Pop Warner cheer and football program for 10 years. And that, again, was being part of a big team and having families, teams of families, and working side by side to grow the community, to empower the children playing the sports. And it was just a wonderful, wonderful 10-year run. All 3 of our boys have played team sports. They've all played baseball. They've all played football. Terry has been able to live the dream of coaching, and he's in his 15th year of coaching football up at the high school. So being part of a team, again, has just been like having my right arm. It's just been a part of my life. I recently went back to work after over 20-something years of being a stay-at-home mom and working a business from my home. And the team that I work with at the school that I work with is just another fantastic group of people. And the leadership team there is very sound, and I'm just so proud of it. Everybody has each other's backs, and it's just a great community. But also recently stepping back into the industry of network marketing, because I love working with people and working with teams. I have to say I am so proud and feel super, super blessed to be part of the team that we are, and that is our TTO team. And the leadership of that team has been very, very powerful. Leaders set examples, and that is what the leadership of our team does. Sets the example of working hard, but also is willing to help, encourage, and enlighten. And the leader of our team is Cedric Harris. And so he has done that with his team. He has got phenomenal leaders across the board as well in his team. My sponsor, Misty, who is also a dear friend of mine, has been a great leader in my life and a great inspiration and encourager in my life. And so being a part of her team, as well as being part of Cedric's team, has just been fantastic. And then, of course, within that, myself and my partner Sandy have an awesome team of people that I just love and adore, and they know that I'm here to help, and Sandy's here to help, and will just do anything to help any of our teammates get ahead and move forward to accomplish the things that they want to accomplish, and that is different for everybody. But again, I just want to end and share, and share with you that if you're not part of a team, maybe try being a part of a team in your life. I don't know, maybe it's a business. Being part of a business team, being part of a team at your church, being part of a team in some aspect of your life. You learn so much from others. You realize it's not about you. You realize it's about we, not about me. And also, you work side by side with people for a common cause. Team, together everybody achieves more. Love that, and enjoying this teamwork of video challenge. So we will see you tomorrow. Have an awesome day, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.